Hello everyone. So yeah, it's been a long time since we have posted any video on our YouTube channel, but yeah, I think so many things have come up and we have to go through so many things. So that to begin with, there are many AI tools that have come into the market and I've been testing it thoroughly. Of course, I'm not getting much time, but yeah. So the new kid on the block is the BOLT.NEW. I'm also looking forward to test Pythagora, but I think that's closed beta, I think. But yeah, so let's start testing how Bolt.new and how Bolt.new is and how can a developer can use it in their daily life. All right, so let's begin. So here we are at the Bolt.new, and first thing we see is a prompt. Like we need to input a prompt, and it has given us an prompt example as well. We can start a blog with Astro language. That's right, Astro is kind of new language, right? So yeah, so that's a good thing that new AI are getting trained on new language as well, not sticking with the basic like Python and JavaScript or React. Like I was in most of, I'm also training an AI bot, so I know that many people are really requesting more updates on and more train fine tuning is done on those languages. I mean, just more profit for the company, right? So to begin with, let's start with something. Let's start with very simple app. So to any, I usually start with very basic like to do app. So let's say create me start a blog. So create to do app in React.js with modern look. Um, let's try with that and see if there's something it creates. Okay, it's going with TypeScript. Okay, but and that's a small things, right? I told it to create to do app in React.js. So the focus was to build it in JS. I'm still learning TypeScript, but yeah, I can definitely debug things in TypeScript. But let's see how quickly we have anything going. So it booted up server and I'm not seeing any. I think it's just deploying or kind of thing, right? Yep. So yeah, I am really liking because I mentioned modern, so I think it really catched up that thing, and that's a really good thing about AI, right? You need to test these things, like every small detail AI needs to take care of. So freeze. Let's see. Okay. Oh, that's right. So it has all the crude kind of thing. Crude app. Mm, let's say gaming, and can I edit it? Oh, I cannot edit it, but I can. Okay. Uh, can we ask it to add an edit? Uh, can you please? Okay, please is something that we need to mention to any AI. So let's say, can you please edit? Can you please add features to this app where we can edit the to-dos? Let's see if that will work. Yeah, so that's correct. So we can look into the code in just a little bit, but I think this is looking very interesting and fascinating that it can create it in under 1 minute. We have a deployable to-do app, and I'm liking it. I think there's so many scope now. Okay, yeah. So I was looking for some errors. I knew that editing is something very a little intermediate step than creating something, right? And that's a good thing that Bolt.new, like the AI behind this model, behind this app, It's working fine. So let's just say gaming, and we can edit it, or we can edit it. Yes, right. So yeah, so that's pretty good. So let's take a look at the code. So we are having this import, okay, the input box, and we are passing it a new to, yeah, that's looking fine. And then this is like a props, how it can save and edit, right? Yep, it's having, yeah. So this is very interesting to see, right? Like what we can do more, like we can deploy it. Okay, I'm not connected to any services, but okay, it is using Netlify built in. But yeah, I'm hoping that we will be getting a preview link so I can just share it to someone else. I mean, it is a really great app, right? Like great, really great feature that if I am talking with some client and I'm just mocking up some data and mocking up some website from for them. So I think this is a live website. Oh, that's good. I think this is looking awesome. So let's just say get apples from store. Let's add one more. Get oranges from store. Let's game and whatnot. So let's delete the previous one. It's working fine. Edit it. Okay, apple's fan just messed up, but yeah, it's working fine. So yeah, I can leave this link in the description for you to check out, but I'm not sure how long will it stay active. We'll find out, right? And what's this open in statelets? Is it an okay? Okay, so they are providing their online code editor, which is a good thing. Yeah, I was wondering how we can edit anything. Like, I mean, this we can even edit here. Okay, I mean, this was also fine for me, but yeah, if you are looking for more professional kind of VS Code look, then this is also very new. Okay, so what's this? Okay, it's the same thing. So I think we should have some kind of like a challenge for our next video where we develop some like intermediate to complex kind of AI app. I think with this, I think it can make a little bit intermediate website. Like we can have API calls going on, but again we will need API keys. But yeah, this is looking more promising, and we should just comment down below how are you liking and what are your feelings about this AI tools that are coming in AI market. um, I'm really looking forward to Pythagora, but I've been using Cursor AI as my fundamental code editor. It has replaced my VS Code, but yeah, so just hit that like button if you like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But yeah, I will see you in the next video. Cheers.